How to post or share a YouTube video on Facebook using a desktop computer. Step 1. Open YouTube. Go to https://www.youtube.com in your browser. You don't need to log into YouTube unless you plan on linking to an age-restricted YouTube video. Step 2. Click the search bar. You'll see it at the top of the YouTube page. Step 3. Search for a video. Enter a video's title or a keyword related to that video. Then press enter. Doing so will search for your video. Step 4. Select a video. Locate and click the video you wish to post to open the video. Step 5. Click share. This button is below the lower right corner of the video player. Step 6. Click the Facebook icon. It's a dark blue block with a white F on it. Facebook will open in a new window. If prompted, enter your Facebook login information, your email address and password, before continuing. Step 7. Enter text for your post. If you want to add commentary or other text along with the video, type it into the text field near the top of the post. If you don't enter text here, the default text above the post will be the link to the video. Step 8. Click Post to Facebook. It's a blue button in the bottom right corner of the Facebook window. Doing so will post your video's link to Facebook. Other users will be able to select the link to open the video on YouTube. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, and share.